All right, we have arrived at 4301 Cabana Bay. This is a family suite. It's got a nice kitchenette. It's lovely. It's a nice counter here. Or another adult perhaps. They've got their own television with storage. Nice little sitting area. Gives a lot of dividing space so everyone can kind of spread out and have, you know, a little privacy with this nice screen and pull door. Sliding door. Separate the kids from adults perhaps. Or maybe just some quiet time if a baby's napping. And we've got the 2 queen size beds with the nice size TV in here. We've got the toilet area with the door. So nice privacy, nice sink there, and then another nice sink with a mirror there with the bathtub. So a lot of nice space for getting ready in the morning. And look at this closet area. Lots of storage in this family suite. So there you go. Family Suite Cabana Bay.